Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make ambot tik. It's a rich, spicy, and tangy gravy. In Goa, we call this ambot tik. I got some fresh mackerel today, and I was craving for ambot tik, so decided to share the same recipe with you all. So in order to make ambot tik, I have taken 2 mackerels. Clean the mackerels, cut as shown in pieces, apply salt, and leave it on the side. So now let's prepare masala. Take a jar, add 4 Kashmiri chillies which gives red color, 3 red chillies which gives spiciness, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of a ginger, half a size of a lemon which is tamarind, 1 stick of cinnamon 1 inch, 5 of cloves, 15 to 20 peppercorns, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of whole cumin. Add sufficient amount of water in order to make a fine paste. Now take 2 onions, fine chop. Once you cut the onion, leave it aside. Cut 1 tomato red, remove the seed and keep it on the side. You need to chop the tomato. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion. Saute the onion well. Keep stirring it in between. Keep the flame on medium. Now once the onion is golden brown in color, add tomatoes. Saute it for 1 or 2 minutes on a medium flame. Add masala. Check the color of the masala. Pass water to the jar. Add more water to the jar and add it to the gravy. Add salt, 6 kokum and half a teaspoon of sugar. Now remember guys, we have added salt to the mackerel. So you need to add very less salt to the gravy. Now once it starts to simmer, add mackerels. Cover them nicely in gravy and in between you need to stir it. Guys, check this ambot tik. Check the consistency, how lovely the color looks. This is how you make ambot tik. And once the mackerels are cooked, you need to turn off the flame and this curry is ready to eat now. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. And also comment down below if you have any requests for recipe. God bless you all.